I am Hondo Onhaka, and this is Onhaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. What luck! The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Streaming means profit. Chewbacca, my fine, buddy friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me.
Braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of Coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Hurry now. Time is
Now
money.
tug on the yellow tabs. Yellow tab for me, please.
Okay.
Yellow tab, thank you. Alright, press your flashing buttons. Good luck.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Move back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that Coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that plane. Pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends! Power up the ship! Well, I am the Coaxium! You see, just as I promised, my friends. Let's get another container of Coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! Get behind the train! Cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting! Good job, my friend. Yes! We got the Coaxium! I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We're going to get out of here. Yes, at least friends. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back